Welcome back to the channel, guys. Happy to have you. If you're new, this channel is all about finding joy in the journey of teaching, bringing back passion and enthusiasm into the classroom, and having a lot of joy and fun while we do it. Today's topic is about building community, or should I say unity. If this sounds like something you want to do in your class, in your school, stick around. All right, thanks for sticking around. As you guys know, this week I'm doing a 5 for 5 challenge with Carrie Bockham. The 5 for 5 challenge this week is that I'm gonna do 5 days of 2-minute vlogs. This one, I think it's gonna be hard to fit in 2 minutes, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try my best. But before we get started, I think we have to throw up 2 minutes. Let's get started. All right, today we have what's called CAT classes. CAT classes are these mixed 5th through 8th electives. I love it. It really builds community and unity in our classrooms and in our schools. And my class has something like 37 kids in it, and they're from 5th. You know, there's a good portion from 5th, a good portion from 6th, 7th, and 8th, and we're all mixed. Today's activity, they were building these aqueducts that they had to get water from distant area, and we challenged them with these little tubes, as you can see in the video, that they have to get the ball continuously rolling. And we let them practice with a golf ball, and then we changed it up on them, and I loved it. Kids didn't love it, but I loved it. We changed it up. On the final run where it mattered, we gave them a marble. And the kids had to work together with that difficulty. It was a windy day, it was kind of cold, but we still all had a great time building this community and this unity around working together. In that whole situation and activity, we were able to drop really good messages of working together, dropping in really good messages of if we were stuck on some planet like this, we really have to listen and follow directions and really think through the problem. Now, I've been fortunate enough to work with several other teachers on this. I work with Ashley Nesbitt, who is a fantastic math teacher, and then also Jason Strains, who's another fantastic math teacher here at school. We designed this class, and it's so fun to bring kids together, and we infuse content with activity. And sometimes it's really content heavy. We've written laws in this class, and it's been neat to see the kids kind of research and work together. And then we've done activities like this where we kind of put into action some sort of activity that they have to work together. And I love how it really gets those 5th graders, 6th graders, 7th graders, and 8th graders working together. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. And it put a smile on my face, put a smile on all the kids' faces and the 2 other teachers. We had a great time out there, and it was filled with neat activities where the kids learned together, worked together, and grew together. And so if this interests you, if you're thinking about adding something like this to your class, just make sure you focus on things that will bring community together, activities that will get kids thinking outside the box. Surprise them with something a little different. I mean, sometimes a great way to bond together and build unity is to provide a challenge. And one of the things that makes a challenge great is when they don't know what's coming. So I know I went way over time today, but I geeked out about this activity. It was so much fun. And I hope you think of using similar tools and similar items in your classroom. This would be great for a staff meeting. This would be great for kids of all ages. You could do this with 2nd graders or 1st graders, and you could do it with your college students. Just have fun with it and focus on building that community and unity in your school, because it just has ripple effects. And when you get opportunities for those older kids to mentor the younger kids, and the younger kids to also really think outside the box and push themselves to grow, because you're doing an activity that's for all, and it's not really dumbed down for all. It's just a solid activity. Great things happen in that space. So, as always, I hope you found some joy in this video. If you could, smash that subscribe button and join the community. It's always helpful. Love to hear from you down below. As always, I hope you guys have a great day.